type of person that does not like exciting unboxings where the unboxer freaks out and just goes nuts in a video, you might not want to watch this video. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today where I am unboxing one of the best deals of the year, you guys. I can't even contain it. Allure Beauty Box is killing it right now as a beauty box. We're unboxing the December 2023 box today. I have got a super amazing deal for you guys if you are interested. Plus this December box is just... it's out of this world. I don't even know how Allure is able to do it. I don't know. I feel like they're losing money this month, but you know what? I am not their finance person. We are just going to take the deal and run. We're not going to even talk about that. Let's just unbox this today because I have the new members box here. I also have the existing members box as well. There is a slight variation this month between the two boxes. Plus, we're going to talk new member gift. I have discount codes. You guys, we have a lot to get through today. Oh, I am so excited to share this box with you guys today. So like I said, I have the new members box here with me today. This includes the new member gift for the month of December. Additionally, I also have my existing members box. This is the box that I do pay for. There is one slight difference between these two boxes. So I'm going to show that to you guys when we go through our unboxing today. But if you're interested in this box, this is a monthly beauty subscription. There is free shipping on this and you will receive a mixture of full-size and travel-sized items inside of it. You're guaranteed 3 full-size products every single month with your subscription. If you purchase with my link and my code down below, you get this entire box for $15. The whole thing for $15. And I don't want you to forget that because we're going to get to a couple of items in this box and one item is going to pay for the entire box. And you guys, I can't believe it. I can't believe Allure is doing this. I know I just shouldn't care. Like, I should just be like, oh, whatever, let them do what they want to do. But honestly, I'm just shocked that we get this month. So I just pulled out some of it here. But when you take a peek at this, do you not think this is worth $15 just looking at it? I mean, the box is full. So for the month of December, everyone that signs up this month will receive one full-size bonus product absolutely free. This is coming from Fenty Beauty and it is their cheek product. So this is a Freestyle Cream Blush. We get it in the shade number 13, which is Pinky Promise. So this is going to be our shade here. This is a full-size cream blush and it will give you a really nice flushed look. So I have this product but in a different shade. I don't have this shade on me. But I do love how easy it is to blend this product out. And I know it looks small. For some of you, you might be going, wait, that's travel size. But it is actually full size. It's the only complaint I've had with Rihanna's lineup. Like, I love all of her other products in the Fenty Beauty line. But I do feel like the blushes are a bit small, especially in comparison to like her other products, like her cream bronzers, are twice the size of this. So anyways, this is not Allure's fault. That's just my only thing with Fenty Beauty. But this is what your cream blush will look like inside. There is a mirror, and then you have this gorgeous cool tone blush, which I absolutely love. You do not need a lot of this product to give yourself a blushed look. So my recommendation is less is more. Go with a very small amount. You can actually use your fingers and apply it and blend it out. You can use a brush, you can use a sponge, whatever you prefer. But it will give you a really nice soft glow. And the more you do, obviously, the more pigment will show up. But I feel like it blends out very well because of it being a cream. It almost dissolves into your skin a little bit just from the heat with that cream component. Now, already I will tell you guys, this product alone is worth the $15 because this costs more than $15 at Sephora to purchase it. So already, if you buy this box for $15, this pays for it. But let's be honest, that is not the hero item this month for December. Somehow, Allure secured the Elemis product, and this is the hero item of the box, you guys. I can't believe this is in here. So everyone is receiving a full-size Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream inside of their Allure Beauty Box this month. what? When I knew this was coming, I fell out of my chair, you guys. Like, I couldn't believe it because this product, it's not cheap by any means. It's an excellent product, but it's also very expensive. And I'm like, how can Allure secure enough of these that we all get one and nobody goes bankrupt in the process? Like, honestly, I just don't know how that works. The math is not mathing on this one. So this is a full 1 ounce or 30 mil for this moisturizer. This retails on the LMS website for $93 for this exact same product. It is an excellent moisturizer. If you guys have not used it before, I definitely recommend. It is such a steal. If the Fenty Beauty didn't already pay for it, this just paid for it like 10 times over. It is such a great deal this month. And like I said, new members are getting this and existing members are getting this in the month of December. So as long as you order in December, you will be guaranteed to receive this product. But that's not the only full-size product you will be receiving in your Allure box this month. In addition to that item, you also are going to receive a product from Pixi. This is their Radiance Perfector, and it is a full-size skin illuminator inside of this box. So this is what your box will look like here, and you can see the size on this. The shade that we have is Pink Pearl, which is listed up here at the top. Now this product was crowned as one of Allure's Best of Beauty winners. This is $18 for this exact same size, and it says that this illuminator will give you a glowing effect without saying, I'm wearing highlighter. It's a little bit more subtle, but it's also got a touch of pink to it as well. Now, everyone will be receiving this in their box this month for December. Whether you are a new member or existing member, you will have this in your box. So I'll do a quick little swatch here. That way you guys can see what it looks like. It's just a liquid. Again, a little will go a long way. So this tube should last you quite a while. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the tube. So it's going to have a very soft pink glow. And then what you can do is work this in, and it's going to give you a very soft look. But as you can tell, it's very light. You see how it's a highlight, but it's not too crazy. So you don't really notice it's there until it catches the light. So again, this is definitely for someone that doesn't want a lot of glow. This will be perfect for that. Now I did mention 3, so you will be having 3 full-size products in your box this month. So our next item that we have in our box for everyone this month is going to be a head and hair mask. So this is from Nyla, and it is a full-size mask product that will give you moisture. This is going to come in at 50 ml of product, and it retails for $10. It says winter is not exactly kind to our hair. This will give you shea butters, which will help to smooth out your hair with any frizz it might have. It's also going to make detangling easier as well. And it says that it's also going to soothe an itchy scalp because it's got aloe inside of it. So if you don't have an itchy scalp, most likely you're not going to have those flakes in there either when you're using this product. But we not only have one Allure Best of winner, we have 2 inside of this box. So our next item is coming from Billy, and everyone again will be receiving this product this month, new and existing. This is the Cool Blue Starter Kit. So this is really an intro into the Billy lineup. So we're going to have the razor handle in here. There's also going to be 2 razor refills and the magnetic holder to actually hold your razor in the shower, because that's usually where we keep ours at. So this will be the entire kit here. These razors are going to have 5 blades on them, and they also have aloe shave soap around the head. That way it's going to be a comfy and close shave when you are using this product. So this entire kit retails for $10 on their website. They also give us a 50% off code in the magazine as well. So if you guys do receive this box and you would like to order more of these, check your booklet. There's a 50% off code in there and you can get some more at a great deal. Now this next item could vary depending on how long you've been a member. So all new members this month in December are going to receive this collagen sheet mask. This is from Real Beauty, and it is a plumping sheet mask that we have here. There is 1 mask inside of this. If you wanted to purchase this, they do come in a box of 5, and it retails for $16 for the entire box. However, because Allure has used that product in the past, if you've been an existing member for a while now, you would have already received that product. So I have already received that in a past box, and Allure does have a guarantee that you will not receive duplicates with their boxes. They do keep track of every item that you've received in your boxes, so if you ever have questions about that, just call them. They have a dedicated phone number. You can tell them, hey, I received a duplicate, and they can actually go in and verify it them. But because I've already received the mask, anyone else that's in that same situation as myself, you're going to receive this product instead. This is from Blue, and it is a clay mask. It is travel size. So you're still receiving a mask. It's just going to not be a sheet mask. You're going to instead get this little tube, and this is going to help to draw out any impurities that you might have in your skin. They do mention that this retails for $39 for the full size version, but this is travel size. Additionally, you could receive a couple different kinds of these Blue masks. So they have this one here where it's going to be a clay one, but they also have an illuminating seaweed. There's going to be a revitalizing algae and a glacial oceanic one as well. But that is the only variation for this month. So you'll either receive the sheet mask or you're going to receive the mask in the tube form. And did I mention that Allure is actually sending us 4 full-size products this month? Not even joking, Allure sent over a 4th item that is full size. Our next item that we're looking at is the Heritage Store Facial Mist. This mist is 4 ounces, it's vegan, it's cruelty-free, there's no alcohol in this, and this is going to be a rose water and glycerin mix. This mist will give you a glowing spray, and it should give you like a dew-like effect. You can use this as a refreshing pick-me-up throughout the day, or you can spritz it on after makeup, and it will help to set it slightly, but also giving you that dewy, illuminating glow. Now, this full-size product retails for $8.49. Last item that everyone is going to receive in their box for the month of December is going to be from Aquaphor. These are the Advanced Therapy Repairing Hand Masks. Now, if you guys have never done hand masks before or foot masks, they are amazing. Oh my gosh, you guys. I remember when I did my first one and I was like, okay, I don't get what's so special about this, but your hands feel so much softer after using these. And I guarantee you, you will notice a difference. Like, there is no guarantee with my guarantee. Like, nothing will happen if it does or doesn't work. But personally, I guarantee you it will work. They're going to be soft. They're going to smell great. It's amazing. It's about the most worthless guarantee out there, but I'm just telling you, it's awesome. But also, it's so great we get this in wintertime. It's perfect to receive. So in total, for this month of December, we have 7 items inside of our box, 4 of which are full-size products. And if you're a new member this month, you're gonna receive 8 items, and 5 of those will be full-size products. All at a low, low price of $15 this month, you guys. I know it sounds unbelievable because honestly it is. Like, I just don't know how they can afford to do this for us. I don't know. But like I said, I don't think we want to tell them that. Let's just run and take all the boxes and just call it good. So if you guys are interested and want to purchase this exact same box that I shared with you guys, you have to sign up in the month of December. This box is shipping right now, and you can get it for $15 if you use my link and my code down below, you guys. But it is an excellent time to sign up, and the fact that you're guaranteed this LMS product is just unbelievable. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for joining me today for our Allure unboxing. But until next time, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys in my next unboxing video. Bye!